Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to remove custom soundboard sounds on your Discord server. So first, what you want to do is click here on the top left corner right here. Click on that. Once you click on that, you will see the server settings option. So once you're there, under stickers right here, you can see the soundboard option or section right here. Click on that. And you would see here your custom sounds or your uploaded sound. So there are 7 slots of 8 available, so you can upload up to 8. But if you want to delete it, you just hover to that particular sound, and there will be an X option here or an X button. Just click on that. And here, are you sure you want to delete? Boom. This actually cannot be undone, so just click on delete. As you can see, it is now gone. If you want to check, go to a voice channel. As you can see, there's no custom sounds right here. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.